Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to pay with Cash App on SHEIN. So here's a simple step-by-step guide on how you can easily pay with Cash App on SHEIN. So open the SHEIN app or visit the SHEIN website, then browse and add items you want to your shopping bag. Then after that, you have to proceed to checkout. So enter your shipping address and confirm the delivery details, which is very important. So once on the payment method page, select credit/debit card, then open your Cash App and go to your cash card details. So copy your cash card details, which involves your card expiration date, card CVV, and the zip code. Then paste or type the information into your card payment field on SHEIN page. Then confirm your order and select the payment and complete the payment. You will get a confirmation from SHEIN, from both SHEIN and Cash App, once the payment is successful. I have a quick important note: SHEIN does not support direct Cash App payment, so you must use your Cash App card, your cash card and the virtual Visa card inside the Cash App to pay, and that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Hit the notification button and subscribe for more guide.